Hello, this is Michael from Bass Motoring, and this is the sound system demo in the 2019 Honda Odyssey and its 7-speaker bass sound system. Now this system has a woofer mid-range speaker in the bottom of each door, a tweeter in each A-pillar, and a subwoofer back in the cargo area. Now you can see that there's a speaker grill on the dash. There is not a speaker under there in this system. You only get that speaker in the top 11 speaker system on higher trims. So without any further ado, let's listen to some music. wrapping up the sound system demo here in the 2019 Honda Odyssey. It's an alright enough system for a lower trim minivan like this one. It doesn't sound super great. More complex music, especially at high volumes, essentially falls apart. But for more basic music and at moderate to lower listening levels, it's not a bad system. One thing that I can't really excuse this system for is, in the bass tracks, the amount of distortion and slop coming from the door woofers. It was at a level where I'd almost be afraid to turn it up any louder out of fear of damaging the speakers. And even without the bass turned all the way up, you could still hear the woofers starting to slap a little bit. It's definitely a system where more of the bass needs to be carried by that subwoofer in the back, and in the second bass track you can tell that it does have the capability to fill the cabin with decent bass sound, but the stock tuning from the factory, it doesn't do that. Like, personally, I turned the regular bass down a click to take some load off the door woofers, and then turned the subwoofer almost all the way up to fill in the deeper bass. Especially with it being back there, it does need to be turned up a little more to carry all the way up to the front of the cabin, 10 feet away. So overall, I'd say this is a D system. It's a little below average, but it's by no means awful, but it's also by no means a great system. It's fine enough for its intended purpose. So anyway, this is Michael with Bass Motoring. Take care and drive safe.